Alright, today is Mother's Day 2023, 5/14. We've just charged up this whirlpool with 4 ounces. We put one of those taps on there, and we put a 134a low side adapter on there. It's reading like 81 degrees. Condenser is like 90 something, 97, 98. This feels warm to the touch. This feels cooler. Like 102 right there. $80 degrees, 80 something, and 102, 105 versus 80. 80, that's like 20 something degrees difference. So that's good. Let's see how the freezer part's doing. I put a water bottle here. It's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Great, we're like at 30 something, 30, 35. 39. We're definitely reaching 32, and that's when water freezes, and it's definitely feeling cold now. All right, so this whirlpool did definitely have a leak, and the model number is WRT519SZDM02. And I don't know how many ounces that it took, but I just put in 4 ounces just to check. Internet says these type of refrigerators tend to have a bad leak right here between either aluminum and stainless steel piping or copper piping. Some area right there where the two meet, it's a prone area to leak. So I can try to use this for a good amount of time, see how long it takes, or maybe I can put some stop leak in here and pop it in. So those are the options. But anyways, now we know it's a sealed system, meaning that there's a leak. And then from there, I can probably even take a sniffer for 134a, because this is what this is going to use this, and go doop, 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 and find a leak. But I have to take that off. Alright, thanks for watching. And we use this recovery machine here to recover and pump. It's a automotive Robin Air.